On this digital service report how-to video, we're going to show you how to create awesome looking reports. Now, we've got the desktop view here in front of us at the moment. You can create a report in the office if you wish to, or your technicians can create it on a tablet out in the workshop, or a phone, or even a computer sitting there. The beauty of using a tablet or a phone is you can take the photo straight away, it loads straight into the system, and that just becomes part of that report. But if you didn't want your technicians having tablets in the workshop, some places may find that uncomfortable, or they want to try digital service report before they commit to buying any tablets. You can create these reports in the office. So you could still do the tick and flick sheet. Technician fills it out, take it into the office, and your office person or whoever wants to finalize the report can create an electronic version of it. Just open it up, click on your report, and then just go down and fill out your details as you need to. It will show you these icons. If you click on no issue and you still want to put in a text, a comment, or a photo, just go over to this drop down arrow, open it up. You've still got the full function of adding a comment in here. You can choose from the drop down list. You can also add a photo out of the file that you would have to obviously email to the office and have it on the computer, but you could upload a photo onto this as well if you wish to. However, it is a lot quicker and more efficient of doing that on a tablet or phone. When you select a response, if you click on amber or red, you'll get a drop-down box immediately. It is asking you for a response. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you just want to send the client just a report with the traffic lights on it, you could do that as well. But obviously you want to put in something that reflects the condition of the vehicle or what you're responding to. If you click on one of these accidentally, you can just click on it again. It resets it. Also, one of the handy features to remember is this is your tablet view. This is not the view that the client gets in their final PDF report. You'll only see whatever color has been responded to. So if you were to do a report that looks like this, you're on your final PDF, you'd only have the green, amber, red, green, amber, and whatever comments you've put in. This stays here right up until you complete the report. That's so if you need to edit anything or add or take anything away, you want to put prices in there, it allows you to do that right up until you convert it to a PDF. Now don't worry if there's stuff here that you don't want to have or don't need, just leave it blank. Once again, it'll stay there right till the report becomes completed, but once it's completed, that will not show up. So if you don't want to put in weather conditions and maximum speed, that is handy to have, because if it's raining, that can mask noises, stuff like that. And people can say to you, oh, it's got a vibration at 110 kilometers an hour, but you're in an area that you can only do 50 kilometers an hour. Then you can obviously say, well, hey, we can't drive the vehicle at that sort of speed, so we would never know. Very handy when you're doing roadworthies or safety inspections. So throughout the report in the various stages, you'll see when you change this to inspected, you'll still have in any of those departments the 3 selections. However, when you change this to completed, we'll change it to completed, and then you go into that report. So you've got to go up here to your completed reports. We go into Bruce's report. You'll still see that there's 54 items unmarked, but that's all that comes across plus your comments. And that's the final, and that's handy to know. That's what the final result that the customer sees. It's a nice, clean looking report, and only items that are filled out will come through. There's 54 items still left unticked on that particular report, and you can see that only the ones that have been responded to come through as a PDF that gets emailed. Once again, if you're in the completed report and you've missed something or you want to add, you just convert that back to either inspected or to be inspected, and then it just takes it back into incomplete, and you can go in here at any time and change it. So by following the steps laid out in this video, you'll end up with great looking reports, complete with photos and comments that are easy to understand, so that your customers can make an informed decision quickly to give you authorization to go ahead with any extra work that's required.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video, and head over to digitalservicereport.com to sign up and start taking your workshop to the next level.